So while most companies will sell you a diagnostic tool, where their tech support usually ends is the fact that they'll help you connect to the vehicle and make sure everything's working properly with your software. But what they really don't do is go to that next step, and that's really what Diesel Laptops does. So our technical support department is really combined with two different types of people. We have IT professionals, and then we also have people that have diesel tech experience. So we have diesel techs with experience from all makes and models with a variety of certifications. So when someone buys a laptop from Diesel Laptops, one of the things they really get from us is the fact that if they have a code, or they have a symptom, or they have multiple codes, or they don't have any codes at all, and they just need that extra help or guidance, that's where our diesel technicians really come into play. So our diesel techs will help guide them through the repair process, they'll help them source repair information, and just generally be that person that can really help them get that truck out of the shop easily and efficiently as possible.